Welcome to a very special Christmas edition of Cooking with RegReg. Last night on Christmas Eve, I apparently made a few promises. One was to cook bacon and bring it to my sister-in-law's house this morning. And the other was to cook it in the Foodi grill and to make a video so that I could show my sweet father-in-law, because he really wants to get one of these and he wants to see what it does with bacon. So here I am making bacon. I was on Santa's nice list and he brought me a set of these cool Rachel Ray Lazy Chef, Lazy Cook tools that I used earlier. We had a little video malfunction. I made a little frog in a hole for Trevor using my griddle in the grill. So what we've done is we've cut the bacon. I took a whole package of bacon, and the instructions are to cut it in half, and then you put it on the air crisper tray into the Foodi grill, and you set it for 8 minutes. We've got about 1:30 left. I'm gonna take a peek. Look at that. Looks delicious. So the cool thing about cooking the bacon this way is that it doesn't sit in the grease to cook. It just crisps it. Okay. I want to see how many I can get in here. It's kind of hard when you put your hand in here and you feel this extreme heat to not feel like you're gonna burn your skin off. I think you can get one more on there. Okay, so I'm gonna add time. I'm gonna bump this up to 8 and let it go. Okay guys, so husband cameraman Trevor just took a sample of the bacon and he said, oh my gosh, I think this is the best bacon I've ever had in my life. And he said it's crispy yet soggy at the same time. And I'm not a big bacon fan, but that is good. Holy cow, this bacon and this, and it's not oily. You don't have all that oil. It's just nice and lean and tasty. Wow. Can I hug this? Okay, welcome back, guys. We are wrapping it up here. We're gonna head out to the annual Christmas tradition of breakfast at Aunt Monique's house. Thank you guys for joining us. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Get the notifications and share it with your friends. I hope you have a very wonderful Christmas and we'll see you soon.